senior citizen mama nche ona me mama kwaba emra super 24 TV so information will be ase to hwa e be blog ya ma mo be kai say not too long ago and I'm a blog ma e wo fi ase there are players be 5 new players on my join Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp training na ekoso wo people so e wo Asante Mantem ha no emra ye bodin na enne club na confirm me they are Nana Benny Amoa and Anderson team. So far, Kotoko confirm me. Yes, these and many more. And they are Satsnasia. They FSM TV. Yes, FSM TV. They bro. Super 24 TV. But when your first time now, you can kindly hit the subscribe button. No press notification. You know, it's a video. Be a Kotoko. Let's just say a good year updates be baby so far as Kumasi Asante Kotoko na class of focus concern area e dey promo e wo fi amamenchia amanonefo a mo hwe me bedamase bebre otumfo nyankopon enhia mo Dubai, South Africa and Africa and Ghana Kumasi nkran baby a wo hwe fi bia be tuche mamo ye develop a channel na pa and ye build a house need together e efisem na ye depa na ene no mensaka exclusive be I was a bit cry a positive about Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But before I zoom into that, wait to follow your social media handle. Facebook, a super 24 TV. In Facebook, I mean Facebook, many honor because violence on Facebook, violence no. I shall see Kotoko agenda boys. Rade. I feel Kotoko mubede, or the Unveil on tour. Now let's go back into the issues. Asante Kotoko after omu training camp e koso be personal and the date is saying I think a 9 for 8 league the best year in September to say you were August it's next month no and I say ending of this month but dates no any confirm and the team is not confirmed. A high-profile international friendly game, and a Bekoso Baba Yara Sports Stadium to usher in the new season for Club Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Game no venue no dey confirm a Bekoso Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Club no a top club in Africa. May share club be every Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire, but any confirm. Top club now according to source nature mu say sa entiment entama club ya bepe a top club ewo krum ya Ghana no money o mabo friendly match no now the purpose of the friendly match is that it is going to usher in the new season and the game is going to be used to showcase Club Asante Kotoko new players any existing players no showcase them to the fans ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Adiwe Semba younger young Africans Tanzania omuye na ekobasa na omu for the younger day Simba day no mo dia Unveil omu players it is of something similar in ebekoso in the weeks ahead ya ebaso na ehwo asem top o mancha obete ho dede ehwo flyers beba and na super 24 TV ni ate ene yete ho acho. You can always trust us. Thank you for watching this video. But don't subscribe and not subscribe. But for now, I'm